Larger new houses are being constructed, some exceeding 25,000 square feet. The average house size ranges from 7,000 to 8,000 square feet. Contractors are implementing a wasted time fee into their project costs to compensate for potential delays. These larger houses often require increased expenses for cable, firestopping, and various materials. Some clients express concerns about the cost of arc fault circuit interrupter breakers. However, contractors argue that the markup covers these expenses. Overall, the cost of home construction is rising because of increased prices in other areas. Wasted time in construction projects can significantly impact overall costs. When pricing larger houses, contractors factor in a per square foot charge to account for wasted time. This approach ensures that they are compensated for delays that may occur during the project. The cost of cable is higher in larger houses due to the increased amount of wiring required. The increased footage of cable and the labor involved in running it throughout a sprawling house contribute to a substantial expense. Firestopping is a critical safety measure in new home construction, and the cost can be significant, especially in houses with high ceilings. Firestopping materials and labor add to the overall project expenses, ensuring that fire safety standards are met. Arc fault circuit interrupter breakers are essential for preventing electrical fires. While they may seem expensive, they provide an important safety feature and are required by code in many areas. Contractors pass the cost of arc fault circuit interrupter breakers on to the customer, and the markup helps cover the expense of stocking and installing these devices. Rising costs in other areas such as fuel, insurance, and labor contribute to the overall increase in home construction costs. Contractors need to factor in these rising costs when pricing projects to ensure that they remain profitable. By implementing a wasted time fee, contractors can protect themselves from unexpected costs and delays. This fee allows them to allocate resources effectively and ensure that projects are completed on time and within budget. The use of cable in larger houses requires careful planning and execution. Contractors must ensure that the cable is properly installed and protected to meet safety standards. Firestopping is a critical component of fire protection in new homes. Contractors must use appropriate firestopping materials and techniques to prevent the spread of fire and smoke. Arc fault circuit interrupter breakers provide enhanced protection against electrical fires. They detect and interrupt arc faults, which can be a common cause of fires in homes. Contractors must stay up to date on the latest codes and regulations related to electrical safety. This ensures that they are installing arc fault circuit interrupter breakers and other safety devices in accordance with industry standards. Contractors are not only facing complaints about the cost of arc fault circuit interrupter breakers, but they are also seeing rising costs in other areas such as insurance. Health insurance costs for contractors and their employees continue to rise. This increase affects the overall cost of doing business and must be factored into project pricing. Filling work trucks with gas is a significant expense for contractors. Fluctuations in gas prices can impact project costs and profitability. To address these challenges, contractors must carefully manage their expenses and negotiate with suppliers to obtain the best possible prices on materials and services. They must also communicate effectively with clients to explain the factors that contribute to the overall cost of home construction. Contractors should emphasize the importance of quality workmanship and adherence to safety standards. This can help clients understand the value of investing in a well-built home that will last for years to come. In addition to addressing cost concerns, contractors must also focus on providing excellent customer service. This includes being responsive to client inquiries, addressing concerns promptly, and completing projects on time and within budget. By building strong relationships with clients, contractors can earn their trust and loyalty, leading to repeat business and referrals. They must also stay up to date on the latest trends and technologies in the home construction industry. This includes attending industry events, reading trade publications, and taking continuing education courses. By staying informed, contractors can offer their clients the best possible solutions for their needs. Moreover, contractors must prioritize safety on the job site. This includes providing employees with proper training and equipment, enforcing safety regulations, and conducting regular safety inspections. By creating a safe work environment, contractors can reduce the risk of accidents and injuries, which can lead to costly delays and legal issues. Furthermore, contractors should embrace sustainable building practices. This includes using environmentally friendly materials, designing energy-efficient homes, and implementing water conservation measures. By embracing sustainability, contractors can reduce the environmental impact of their projects and appeal to environmentally conscious clients. Contractors can also leverage technology to improve their efficiency and productivity. This includes using project management software, mobile apps, and other tools to streamline their operations. By using technology effectively, contractors can reduce costs, improve communication, and enhance customer satisfaction. They should also develop a strong online presence. This includes creating a professional website, using social media to market their services, and soliciting online reviews from satisfied clients. By building a strong online presence, contractors can attract new clients and grow their businesses. In addition to focusing on cost management, customer service, and technology, contractors must also prioritize ethical business practices. This includes being honest and transparent with clients, honoring their contracts, and paying their bills on time. By conducting business ethically, contractors can build a positive reputation and earn the trust of their clients, employees, and suppliers. Contractors must manage risks effectively. This includes obtaining adequate insurance coverage, implementing safety protocols, and having contingency plans in place to address unexpected events. By managing risks effectively, contractors can protect their businesses from financial losses and legal liabilities. In conclusion, navigating the challenges of new home construction requires a multifaceted approach. Contractors must focus on cost management, customer service, technology, ethical business practices, and risk management to succeed in this competitive industry. By embracing these principles, contractors can build successful businesses and provide their clients with high-quality homes that meet their needs and exceed their expectations. Rising costs, labor shortages, and supply chain disruptions are adding to the complexity of new home construction. These factors are impacting project timelines, budgets, and overall profitability. Contractors must be proactive in addressing these challenges to remain competitive and deliver successful projects. Furthermore, contractors need to stay informed about changes in building codes and regulations. This includes understanding new requirements for energy efficiency, accessibility, and fire safety. By complying with building codes, contractors can ensure that their projects meet the highest standards of safety and quality. Contractors should foster collaboration with other industry professionals. This includes working closely with architects, engineers, subcontractors, and suppliers to ensure that projects are well coordinated and executed efficiently. By fostering collaboration, contractors can leverage the expertise of others and achieve better outcomes for their clients. In addition to focusing on the technical aspects of construction, contractors must also possess strong communication and interpersonal skills. This includes being able to effectively communicate with clients, employees, and other stakeholders. By communicating effectively, contractors can build strong relationships and resolve conflicts constructively. Contractors should also prioritize continuing education and professional development. This includes attending industry conferences, taking online courses, and obtaining certifications. By continuing their education, contractors can stay up to date on the latest trends and best practices in the construction industry. Contractors need to adapt to changing client preferences. This includes understanding the growing demand for smart home technology, sustainable building practices, and personalized design features. By adapting to changing client preferences, contractors can offer their clients homes that are tailored to their individual needs and lifestyles. Moreover, contractors must be aware of the legal and regulatory landscape in their area. This includes understanding zoning laws, permitting requirements, and environmental regulations. By complying with legal and regulatory requirements, contractors can avoid costly fines and delays. Contractors should invest in their employees. This includes providing them with competitive wages and benefits, opportunities for training and advancement, and a positive work environment. By investing in their employees, contractors can attract and retain top talent, which is essential for success in the construction industry. Contractors must be financially responsible. This includes managing their cash flow effectively, controlling their debt levels, and maintaining accurate financial records. By being financially responsible, contractors can ensure that their businesses are sustainable and profitable. In short, succeeding in the current environment requires resilience, adaptability, and a commitment to excellence. Contractors must embrace innovation, prioritize customer satisfaction, and build strong relationships with their employees and stakeholders. By doing so, they can overcome the challenges of the construction industry and achieve long-term success.